Microsoft Corporation creates computer software, hardware, and provides cloud-based services. The Windows line of operating systems, the Microsoft Office Suite, and Edge web browser are among Microsoft's most well-known software offerings. The Xbox video gaming consoles and the Microsoft Surface range of personal PCs are its two main hardware offerings. Microsoft is headquartered on the Microsoft campus in Redmond, Washington. Microsoft was the world's largest software company by revenue as of 2019. It was placed number 21 in the Fortune 500 rankings of the largest American firms by total revenue in 2020. Along with Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta, it is one of the Big Five American technological firms. On April 4, 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen established Microsoft in order to create and market basic interpreters for the Altair 8800. In the middle of the 1980s, MS-DOS and then Windows propelled it to the top of the market for personal computer operating systems. 3 people became billionaires thanks to Microsoft's 1986 initial public offering. Subsequent increase in share price made an estimate 12,000 Microsoft employees millionaires. Since the 1990s, it has moved from the operating system industry and acquired a number of businesses. Their greatest acquisition was LinkedIn for $26.2 billion in December 2016, which was followed by Skype Technologies for $8.5 billion in May 2011. Microsoft has lost the majority of the total operating system market to Android. However, it still holds position in the markets for operating systems compatible with IBM PCs and Office software suites. In addition, Microsoft provides a wide variety of additional consumer and business software. An example of these types of software are Bing Search Engine, Digital Services Market, through MSN, Mixed Reality, HoloLens, Cloud Computing, Azure, and Software Development, Visual Studio. In 2000, Steve Ballmer succeeded Bill Gates as CEO, and he later developed the devices and services strategy. Danger Incorporated was purchased by Microsoft in 2008. The debut of the Microsoft Surface tablet computer line in June 2012. The company has reduced its emphasis on hardware and moved its focus on cloud computing since Satya Nadella became CEO in 2014. This shift has helped the company's stock achieve its highest value since December 1999. In 2018, Microsoft recaptured its title as the most valuable publicly traded business in the world after being dethroned by Apple in 2010. After Apple and Amazon, Microsoft became the third American public firm to have a market cap of $1 trillion. Microsoft will have the fourth highest worldwide brand valuation as of 2022.